Hi. I got this very unique question in this my Q&A session that Aryabhat discovered zero in around 476 AD or around that time. And everybody keeps on talking or telling us in our scriptures that around 7,000 years back when Mahabharata happened, that Dhritarashtra had 100 sons, or around 14,000 years back, that in Ramayana, Ravan had 10 heads. When the count was not supposed to go without zero beyond 9, how did we knew about it? And zero was discovered approximately around 2,500 years from now. In fact, it like tested my mind also. And it was a very unique question, which sounded like very realistic. But the answer which I was able to discover and able to realize was very simple answer. Answer was that in ancient time, language which we used to work upon was Devangari or Sanskrit, which we call in modern times. And the count used to be like ik, dvi, tri. And for Shunne, zero always used to exist. Always. Zero was always there. And it was used for counting. That's how like a thing. But how come Aryabhat when discovered zero? That's the difference. Aryabhat was a mathematician. He was the one who discovered the approximate value of the pi. He used to work on arithmetics, trigonometry. He was the first astronomer person who studied like worked on heliocentric pattern, that earth is the one which is rotating and not sun rotating around us. He was the one who introduced sidereal time calculations also. So his zero was a very mathematical zero, which was needed basically for complex calculations, computer calculation, astronomy calculations, trigonometry calculations, or binary, which we know in computers 0 and 1. And in ancient time, the zero was only used for counting. So we knew about counting. The Shunya was always there, which we had been mentioned in all the scriptures, which existed like long time before Aryabhat. But his zero was a complex zero needed by a mathematician. So that was the difference of the discovery. I hope this will answer your thing, because it was such a unique question to work upon. If you have any other questions, you can keep on sending and I will try to discover the answers for you. Thank you.